Hey guys, this is Risheek Payanam from Art Teachers. So we are doing a series of sessions on reasoning. So today's topic for our session is analogy. Analogy, in general, analogy questions are they will give three words, right? Three words, and first two words are somewhere related to each other. We need to find that relation and we need to find the same relation between the third word and the word given in the options. So that is uh, that is how analogy questions work in reasoning. So these are some common relationships were used, but these are only just examples so that you can understand. But there are way more relationships can be asked. So we need to have some general knowledge, good grip on English to easily solve these questions. So it can be like the questions can be the relationship between a country and state. That means they can ask a country name and the country's capital. For example, mm, if we take like US, Washington DC, and they will ask India. So we need to find Delhi in the options. Again, same like they can ask country and currency like US dollars and India. We need to find rupees in options and like that. Again, individual and groups like sailors. Sailor is a single person, sailors, but a group of sailors are called crew. A group of players are called team. Right. Similarly, animal and their young ones like cow. Baby cow is called calf. Dog, baby dog is called puppy. Like that. Individual thing and class. Like man belongs to mammal. Frog is an amphibian. Chair is a furniture. Like that. And tool and actions. Right. Knife can perform cutting. Gun can perform shooting. Needle can sew. So these are some common examples of relationships. See, this is only for your understanding. There are way more relationships we need to see. We need to know actually. Okay, so we will do a few. This is a simple chapter. We will do some examples so that you can understand how they are given and how we should solve. See, there is nothing to solve here. Just we need to know what is what. Okay, we need to know a man is a mammal, frog is an amphibian, a, a baby dog is called puppy. So we need to just have an idea what is. So a good English knowledge can easily get you marks in these type of questions. So here the question is giant, dwarf, genius, what? So giant means a big one, right? A big person. Dwarf means a short person, a tall person, short person. So the relation here is opposite, right? So giant is opposite to dwarf. Again, so genius. What is genius? Genius means a person with good knowledge. Opposite to genius would be weak, gentle, idiot, tiny. Idiot means senseless person, right? Idiot would be the answer. Idiot is the answer. Solution: dwarf is the antonym of giant. Similarly, antonym of genius is idiot. Antonym and synonym, right? We have learned them in our school days. Antonyms and synonyms. That nothing but meanings and opposites, similar to, right? Mhm. The next question: newspaper, press. Cloth. So that means newspapers are made in press. Similarly, clothes are made at mill. Clothes are made at mill. Right. Clothes are made at mill. So newspaper is prepared in a press. Cloth is manufactured in the mill. Okay. These are very simple questions. Just for your understanding, we are doing some examples. So we'll see the next question. Anemia, blood, anarchy, what? Anemia, blood. Mm, blood is lack of blood in a body is called anemia. Similarly, what is anarchy? Anarchy means lack of government in a country or a state. So lack of blood in the body is called anemia. So similarly, uh, here lack of government in a country or state is called anarchy. So the answer would be B, government. Yes, anemia is state of lack of blood. Anarchy is the state of lack of government. So we'll see the next question. Cattle herd. Sheep what? Cattle herd means a group of cattle is called herd. Means crowd, like that. A group of cattle. Similarly, a group of sheep is called something, right? So what is a group of sheep called? A group of sheep is called flock. A flock. A flock means group of sheep. A crowd of sheep. Flock. Generally, the term is used as flock. A flock of sheep, like that. So we need to know these kind of words in English language to solve this easily. There's nothing we can do logically or any math problem here. We need to just have a knowledge on English. Like a mob is group of persons, maybe a bad persons, right? Uh, who are rebels or something like that. So who are protesting, they are called mob, angry mob. Mob attacked parliament, like that, right? So we should know that kind of words to solve this type of question. So we'll see the next question. So yeah, the answer what we have ticked flock, right? Yes, frog is the answer for this. And the next question, botany, plants. Entomology, what? Botany, that means plants, study of plants. Study of plants is called botany. Similarly, study of something should mean entomology. So, study of insects is called entomology. Study of insects is called entomology. Entomology is study of insects. Insects. Let's see. Yes, insects. So the relation between the first two pairs should be same with the next two pairs. That's the concept here. So let's go to next question. Acting, theater, gambling, what? Acting is done in theaters, right? Theater means not movie theaters. Acting theaters are something stage performance. Stage performance, right? That's what theater is called, acting theater. Similarly, gambling is done at where? Gambling is done at casinos. We all know what casinos are, right? At least we have seen in movies. It's illegal in India, but we can find them in Goa. Uh, Goa ships, right? let's see, acting theater, gambling, casino. Okay. So the next question: menu, food, catalog, what? Menu. Menu consists of list of foods. List of foods. So when we go to a restaurant, we will find a menu, right? And that menu consists of all the list of foods available in that restaurant. Similarly, catalog should contain some list, right? What list it can be? It can catalog can contain a list of books. Catalog means list of books. Similarly, when we go to a restaurant, we find a menu. Similarly, when we go to a library, we can find a catalog. That means in a library is similar to restaurant here, right? Library, there will be a catalog, and that catalog consists of list of books available in that library. So books is the answer here, right? Books is the answer. Yes, books is the answer. Just to make us get confused, they have given a library also here, right? Which is, we can get confused like catalog is related to library. The library could be the answer. So we need to be a bit careful, even though we think we know the answers. Okay. So the next question might be the last question. Pulp, paper, hemp, what? So paper is made of pulp. So what is made up of hemp? What is made up of hemp? A rope. The rope is made up of hemp. So the answer would be the rope. So rope is the answer. So that's the end of a session. This is a very simple session, but we have to do everything, right? We can't leave chapters which are very simple. These type of chapters will save us time. When we get these type of questions in exams, we can easily answer them. We shouldn't neglect these type of simple ones. Okay, so you know what to do, right? Mm, you can Google, you can search in the net for analogy types, analogy questions, examples, analogy common relationships, and like that you can find many examples also, so that you can read. If I keep all them here, it will be a very big video, and you will find no interest because almost everything it's already known by you, or you are just get bored because it's a very simple thing. You will feel like you are in a first class or second class, maybe first standard or second, maybe not that small, maybe sixth or seventh standard. We by that time we will see all these type of English words. We will know by that time. So mm, but so okay. Then search for the questions on analogy and practice them. These 10 or 15 questions are not enough for this kind of topic. You need to do at least 100 questions. Mm, Mainly search for examples. That way we will learn a lot more than doing one single question. Okay, right. Thank you. Have a good day. We will meet in the next session.